Hey designers, today we're going to talk about the Smooth tool in Illustrator. If you haven't heard of it or you don't know how to use it, stick around. Here we go. Welcome back designers. For this tutorial, I prepared a simple tree design where I can show you what Smooth tool can do or can do so you can apply it to your own designs. You can pause and make a tree yourself first and follow along, or just enjoy watching. Also, just realized that this tree has two faces. Haha. Anyways, so let's start by going to our pencil tool, hold it in, and select Smooth tool. This tab will pop up, and you can use it to make your line smoother or less smooth. You also have an auto smooth, where you can let Illustrator smooth it all automatically. I only use this when I want to change out an entire section of my drawing. I'm gonna make a selection now and show you what it does. As you can see, it made slight changes to it, but not like a drastic change. But look what it does when you move this towards more smoothness. Since you had this whole area selected, it transformed it all. But you can select just a part of it and smooth it out without touching the rest of the art. Like this. So now that this is selected, I can go to my tab here and slowly drag it to the right. And you can go over it again and again manually and change specific areas that you don't like. Now let's try on a different side. Drag the tool on the area and then change it more with the tab. Alright, let's take a look at the branches now and see what we can do with them. As you can see, just going over this area isn't really rounding out the corner. So I'll need to adjust the smoothness on my tab again. You'll notice a difference right away. I'll also go over some other areas with this tool. Whenever I learn something from a video or reading, I need to try it myself and practice along while watching. It really helps me understand it better. I can't learn it otherwise. I'm just made like that. But that's okay. How do you learn? Let me know in the comments. Alrighty, let's say I want this white part hidden, okay? So I'm gonna drag my tool over this part and then drag the smoothness up. And now I'm gonna go over it manually until I am pleased with it. Yeah, that's much better. Now let's say you're not using the shape tool and want to make an imperfect circle. I'm gonna go to my curvature tool and draw my shape. Then I'm gonna select the smooth tool Also, if you double click on the smooth tool, you will get your tool options. Moving the slider to the left towards the accurate keeps the new path close to its original form. Moving it to the right towards smooth uses higher smoothing rates and removes some of those extra paths. You can also just leave it in the middle. So let's see what it does if I put it all the way to the right. Okay. Now if I go all the way to the left, you can adjust this before you start drawing if you want. And that's how you can use the smooth tool in Illustrator. I hope this helped you understand this tool better and that you've learned something. Happy drawing and see you next time. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thanks.